This charming home was completely remodeled in 2016 and features granite countertops throughout, new windows, updated engineered wood floors, new tile in the bathrooms, recessed lighting, and new carpet in the bedrooms. The open floor plan allows easy entertaining, and use of the rooms allows you to roam throughout the living, dining, kitchen areas. The kitchen has been upgraded with all new stainless steel appliances, new cabinet fronts with lots of storage, recessed lighting, and new tile floors. The living room has tons of natural light from the windows and features a nice fireplace, built-ins, and lots more storage. The bathrooms have been completely overhauled and are extremely well finished. The outside of the home has a wonderful outdoor entertaining area overlooking the large yard with several mature trees. The landscaping has been completely updated and also features a sprinkler system for the yard and flower beds. The house also features an above-ground storm shelter, large storage building, and a new roof installed in 2018 with added hail-resistant shingles. The home is move-in ready in a quaint neighborhood with a park nearby, schools within walking distance, and located on a quiet street.